on the OPPO Find X3 Pro if you're planning to get one, or if you We've got another Snapdragon 888 phone with us today. This is the OPPO Find X3 Pro that was launched in Malaysia. I've been using it for about a month or so, and there are some things that I absolutely love about this phone. So today's video is going to be all about that. The first thing that caught my attention is the gorgeous 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and a 10-bit color system. The screen is buttery smooth, feels ultra clear, and is an absolute delight to my eyes. It's rich in colors, it has deep blacks, and also good viewing angles. Now that's on the front. On the back, I really like this classy vibe and the whole anti-fingerprint design, but I'm not so sure about the lens placement because it feels like it's all over the place. That being said, kudos to OPPO for trying to create something different with this seamless camera bump design that uses a single sheet of glass to mold the whole back piece. Moving on, we've got the Snapdragon 888 chip paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, a 4500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, and 30W wireless charging. It's a beast, but if you're one to keep all your files in your phone, you're bound to fill up the storage. Now that'll be bad because this phone doesn't have expandable storage. Performance is superb, but it also overheats quickly if you're on Genshin Impact. But then again, I haven't seen a single phone that doesn't heat up when it comes to Genshin. This time, OPPO is giving us two 50MP lenses on the rear camera, accompanied by a 13MP telephoto camera and a 3MP sensor. No doubt the 50MP lenses were great, photos have a wide dynamic range and high level of details, but colors are slightly oversaturated in my opinion. You'll also get the same kind of quality when using the ultra-wide lens. Now the real star of the show is actually the 3MP micro lens. With up to 60 times magnification, this lens takes amazing close-up as if it's a microscope. You get images that shows you more than what your eye can really see, which is crazy because, well, it's a smartphone. But you need to get real close to the subject, so usually I'll just plop it on whatever surface I'm taking and lift it slightly so that its surrounding circular ring light can help capture a brighter photo. You can even zoom in if the one-time zoom isn't fascinating enough for you. Surprisingly, the Find X3 Pro is less expensive than the Find X2 Pro that was priced at 4,599 ringgit. This is probably because it has lesser storage, but do note that it has upgraded cameras, better performance, a bigger battery, and an awesome display. This phone has a hefty price tag of 4,299 ringgit, but you'll also get premium features and a phone that can last you at least another 2 to 3 years. Plus, if you want to play doctor or pretend like you're a scientist, there's always that microscope lens to help you make your dreams come true. So those are my thoughts on the OPPO Find X3 Pro. If you're planning to get one and you have any question regarding this phone at all, you can just ask me and I'll try my best to answer it in the comment section down below. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.